As most of you know already, so we are starting because of this COVID-19, we are starting the online teaching maybe very soon. Okay, so all of the students need to prepare how to attend the online class. So we are planning to use the application Zoom. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to install. If you are using the laptop, you can go to the websites or Google it Zoom. You can find this page. So from here you can download Zoom to your computer. Similarly, the mobile phone, if you are using Android or iOS, in the Play Store you can search by using Zoom. You can download the app. Okay, so hope most of you know how to install in mobile phone, because you are using mobile phone for other application. The same method you can try. After you download Zoom from desktop or from your desktop, your mobile phone, you can see this symbol. You can open it from here. Okay, so to join the meeting, better you can sign in. So most of you have the email address, maybe Google or Facebook. If you don't have, you can create one. Then you can sign in with Google account. Then if you do sign in, you can sign in using your Gmail address. Okay, so just click it here. Okay, so the next page you can launch to Zoom. Whoever organizing the meeting, this is for them. For you students, you only need to just join the meeting. So you can press it here. You will receive an email that include the meeting ID. You just enter the meeting ID here. So we will send you the meeting ID later before the class. So you write your name, then just join here. There you can see the class online. Open your Zoom application here, just watch the video. If you have any doubt, anything, you can shoot the question here. Also I can listen it. Yeah, 183. Okay, so from your desktop you can see this page. So if you want, you can join with the video or without video. I prefer you to join with the video so that I can see who all are attending the class. So I prefer you to join with the video. So you please press here, then you are entering to the classroom. Yeah, so okay, actually this is the classroom. Okay, here you can see the whiteboard, whatever the slide, everything will be open here. You can see it here. Okay, so your picture will be seeing here. So the classroom is here. Okay, so you can go here, you can see the chat. So if you have during the class, if you have any doubt, you can raise your question here. Okay, so if we are talking about the Fleming's the Faraday's law, you can ask here. So I didn't understand whatever it is. Okay, so you can chat it here. So like this you can see. So if I am writing something, you will see it like this. You see here. Okay, so this is considered is a whiteboard. So similarly you can see the PowerPoint lecturer slide also I can share. You should mute your audio, otherwise the class will be, your sound will be disturbing our class. So you can mute your audio here, but make sure your video is on, so that after the class, maybe 20-30 minutes, you can off your video as well. Okay, after the class you can leave the meeting.